Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back. If you're new right here, hi, my name is Sonal Yadav and I create a lot of beauty related videos right here on my channel. So if you like watching such videos, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product which is a new launch, and guess what? It is a range of lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics. So as you can see, this is the PR package that I have received from Sugar Cosmetics, but trust me, I am going to be 100% honest about my reviews about this product. So this is the Sugar Cosmetics Good Moody's lipstick, and this is like a new launch. They have launched 10 different shades in this range, and Sugar Cosmetics is great at extending their lipstick shades, so you can expect them to actually add more shades to this range in the future. But first, let's just know what this product is like. So make sure that you watch this video till the end to know the whole review about this product, because I have actually went in detail with this product and tried it out, tested it out, and I will be sharing a lot of details regarding this product. First things first, let's just open and talk about the packaging. Okay, so this is how I received the PR package. Was something like this, and here we have all the 10 shades. When I saw the shades, I was excited because the shades seem to be quite bright and different and beautiful. They have launched 10 different shades in their Good Moody's lipstick, and here are all the shades that I am going to be swatching. First, let's just talk about the packaging of this product. So this is what the carton of the product looks like. Here you get the name of the product, and you also get this shade sort of a stripe, which is actually color coordinated with the lipstick shade. And yeah, it is quite similar to the shade that you are getting, the lipstick shade that you choose. So this is what exactly the product looks like. I really love how beautiful and different the packaging of the product is, because usually sugar lipsticks come like this, and this is quite different to me. I was not at all expecting this packaging, and I was excited to try it out when I saw this product and the outer packaging and everything. So they have done a beautiful job with coming up with retractable crayon lipsticks, because earlier, if you remember, this is what the crayon lipstick looked like. This is how other brands are also coming up with their own crayon lipsticks. Now the thing that I don't like about this packaging is that this is a crayon lipstick and I have to sharpen it again and again, which means that you are going to end up wasting a lot of product. But here you get this retractable pencil wherein you can just twist and apply, and that's it. Yeah, so I do like how easy to use packaging this is. And to be honest, when I was looking at the quantity, I was not really very impressed. I think the quantity is a little less. I will have to check what exact quantity is mentioned, but this is the amount of product that you get, which is very little, I feel, and you will run out of this very, very easily. I mean, if you are someone who is just going to use this specific shade for everyday use, then you might run out of it very easily. When I opened it up, like, it had a beautiful crayon like tip. If you remember Camlin crayons, like, I don't know why, it just reminds me of those crayons for some reason. I might be a little weird, but yeah, it just reminds me of that for some reason. But I must say that the tip was quite nice, and you can get nice and precise application using just this product and not any brushes and not anything else. Let me talk about the claim. So the brand says that this is feather light and it has matte finish to it. It definitely has a matte finish to it, but it takes a little bit of time to actually settle down into a matte finish, because once you apply it, it will take you like 2 to 3 minutes to settle into like a complete matte look. Before that, it will look a little bit shinier, and after 2 minutes it just settles into a beautiful and comfortable matte finish. Also, it is feather light because it is very, very light on the lips. It does not makes you feel uncomfortable for any reason. When I was applying it, I could feel that the lipstick is quite smooth in application. My lips was just not pulling out, or it was not at all tacky. It was very smooth, and application was quite easy with this product. Now they also say that it is intensely pigmented. I don't know why, but I am not really blown away with the pigmentation of this specific range of lipsticks. I have experienced better pigmentation from other sugar lipsticks, I feel, and some shades that are darker in this lipstick, for example the shade Wild Child, which is 10, is a little less pigmented than other shades. Also the shade 01 is slightly less pigmented than other shades. Apart from these two shades, I did not really experience a pigmentation problem. In my opinion, you do need to layer it up twice and you will get like a beautiful pigmentation then for sure, and you won't be disappointed. It's not disappointing, but it's not very high pigmentation either. So yeah, that is what my actual experience was with this product. When I was applying it, usually with matte lipsticks, one thing that comes along with it is dry lips. I could not really experience dry lips with this product because it's quite nice and moisturizing on the lips as well. It does not makes your lips feeling uncomfortable, dry, chappy, or it does not even enhances any sort of texture on your lips like your fine lines on lips and such things. It really makes your lips look very nice and smooth, and it just glides beautifully. I don't know about others, but I have like a habit of sniffing products, and this does not really has any sort of fragrance to it. It smells a little bit like crayons to me. I don't know why, but yeah, it does. Yeah, it slightly does, but it does not has any strong fragrance or anything as such. So talking about the price range of this product retails for 599 rupees. I think this is a little too much because the quantity, it feels a little less. The quantity of the product is 0.7 grams, and yeah, I personally feel that the quantity could have been a little more. The shelf life of this product is more than 3 years, which is again a great fact about the product. If you are someone who likes to hoard makeup, then it's like a good news for you. They also claim that this is very long lasting and it is transfer proof. Let's see if it's transfer proof or not. Okay, it is, but you can see like very slight amount of the lipstick on my hand, but I think this is like fine with me. I do not mind that, and yeah, I actually feel that this is transfer proof as well. Talking about the longevity of this product, this is going to last on your lips for more than 5 hours, and after 5 hours I did notice that this product starts fading away, but the fading away process is something which is very nice because it will fade away from overall of your lips and not from a specific portion of your lips, which means that the lipstick does not look patchy even after wearing it for more than 5 hours. Talking about the shade variety of this product, I do like the shade range because all of these shades luckily suits me beautifully. None of them are washing me out, none of them are making me look washed out or just not good. All of them just performed very beautifully. They made me look nice, and I was impressed because these lipsticks are brown girl friendly. I am a MAC NC45 and all of these shades looked beautiful on my lips and I enjoyed each and every shade. All of the shades are quite good, so the shade variety is like a thumbs up from my side because it is brown girl friendly. This is like the older crayon lipstick, and if I had to choose one between both of them, then I would have definitely chosen the newer version of the crayon lipsticks because this is quite more better. Packaging wise, it's like a retractable pencil. You do not have to sharpen it up, and also it is not at all drying on the lips. This one felt a little bit bit more tacky, but this one is like very smooth in application, very nice packaging wise, and it's a very travel friendly product as well. You just pop it in your bag, twist it, apply it and keep it. It's very easy to use, and I do like this product, so I would rate this product a good 8 out of 10. And I will be very soon sharing all the swatches of the shades, and I was blown away with the shades because it looked very beautiful on my lips. I really loved it. So yes, this is a lot more better than this one, and I would highly recommend using and trying these lipsticks out because I really genuinely did liked it.
So now let me just swatch all the shades for you.
And yeah guys, that was basically my short review about the Sugar Good Moody's lipstick. Do try this one out and let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on this product. Yeah, I will be back with more such videos. Until then, please take care. Bye.